How to fix Binance Network Anomaly, please try again later error. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Binance, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix Binance Network Anomaly issue, please try again later. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. Now the app is just been updated currently, but what you want to do is you want to simply head over to your settings. You want to scroll down the notification bar and then tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner. Once you tap on settings, you want to scroll down and head into the option that says apps. Under apps, now you want to locate Binance. You can simply scroll down and look into Binance. Once you tap on Binance, now here you want to scroll down and head into the storage option. Let this load up and head into storage. Once you head into storage, you'll get two different options, that is clear data and clear cache at the bottom of your screen. You want to tap on clear data and then tap on delete. This will delete every cache and remove any glitches and bugs within the apps as well. So this way you can fix Binance Network Anomaly. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.